Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your Google Chrome browser is not working or loading properly on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve the issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Settings gear button, and then you want to select the Apps tile. Select where it says See All Apps, and then you want to locate the Chrome app on this list and go ahead and select it. And then select where it says Storage and Cache. Select the Clear Cache option first, and then relaunch the Chrome browser and see if the problem has been resolved. If not, come back in here and select Clear Storage instead, and then you'll be prompted if you want to go ahead and free up space or clear all data on the Chrome app, which you can do that. You can kind of move up one option at a time here. And then hopefully, eventually, once you go through these options, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.